Okay, so and the last one, will. Here's some questions. And Miss Jessica, you had a great question. And so we'll add yours in it too. Has anyone had a heart-to-heart with this employee? Has anyone had a heart-to-heart with this employee? So, Miss Jessica, let's say you and I are on the same team, or in the same organization, and you just got promoted, so you went to a different area, and now I've taken over your team. I want to see your documentation for this employee who's been with you for the last 10 years. Have you ever had to sit down and have a heart-to-heart with this person? To say you're falling short here, we need to get you better here, or you're doing great here. Have you ever had a heart to heart? And do I have documentation so I know that? There's that word again, documentation, right? If I want to know that answer, I got to be able to rely upon Miss Jessica. Now it turns out, okay, she has had that heart to heart with that employee. So okay, that's one thing we're kind of aware of.